Good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel. Again, I'm at the store. It's already 4:35 in the morning. We're not gonna take a walk because I'm still feeling under the weather. I have Mama here. And it's day 7. Day 7 of Simbang Gabi. Update later. Day 7, Simbang Gabi. Day 7. Guys, just an update. I'm already at the store. We opened the store. Day 7 of Simbang Gabi done. It's a Monday morning, so have a blessed Monday, everyone.